This KOHLER flipbook shows you how to install the composed deck mount bath faucet with hand shower. Press the gasket into the groove on the bottom of the top retaining nut. Thread the bottom retaining nut onto the spout diverter. Insert the spout diverter through the underside of the faucet deck and tighten the top and bottom retaining nuts to secure. Thread the stem into the spout diverter. Press the gasket over the stem. Remove the cap and loosen the set screw on the back of the faucet body. Position the escutcheon over the spout diverter, then press the faucet body over the stem and spout diverter. Tighten the set screw to secure the faucet body. Press the cap over the set screw. Install the two set screws under the lift rod handle. Position the lift rod cover over the lift rod handle. Secure the cover with the two screws. Press the gasket into the grooves on the bottom of the valve escutcheon. Insert the valve through the escutcheon and the deck. Secure the valve from under the deck with the washer and 3 nuts. Insert the hand shower body through the deck. Secure the hand shower body above the deck with the gasket and escutcheon. Secure the hand shower body below the deck with the washer and the retaining nut. Insert one screen washer between the hand shower and hose angle. Thread the hand shower onto the hose angle. Insert the gasket between the hose angle and the hand shower hose. Thread the hose angle onto the hand shower hose. Insert the hose through the hand shower body. Connect the hot and cold water supplies to the valve. Connect the valve and hand shower to the spout diverter. Plumbing connections may vary from what is shown. Install a vacuum breaker arrestor close to the outlet of the valve following the manufacturer's instructions. Solder all connections. Apply thread sealant tape to the open port and install the provided cap. Turn on the water supplies and check all connections for leaks. Press the buttons to select your desired hand shower spray option. Thank you for choosing KOHLER. Click on the links in the video description to register your product and learn more about the composed deck mount bath faucet with hand shower.